हे गाइस, आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
सो अभी हम वीडियो करने वाले हैं पाकिस्तानी हॉस्पिटैलिटी मेक्स यू क्राई, लाहौर पाकिस्तान। आइए
अच्छा,
देखते हैं।
आइए देखते हैं।
Assalamu alaikum guys, now we're
यही
in
लो।
Lahore
यही लो।
and today Assalamu alaikum and today time for shaving.
शेविंग।
Okay, so you have to change your face style. Yeah,
To baby style, yeah?
to baby style. Let's go. To teenage style.
ओ अच्छा, रोड साइड पे।
Assalamualaikum. Yeah.
Oh, kitna peso shaving? 100? Oh, okay.
Oh, many clients. Shave.
Are you Korean?
No, I'm not Korean. 안녕하세요. 저는 데니스입니다.
Which is your country?
Kazakhstan.
Pakistan.
Kazakhstan.
हाँ Pakistan.
Do you know Russia?
नहीं Pakistan, Pakistan,
अच्छा,
Uzbekistan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Kazakhstan. Oh, yeah.
Are you Muslim?
No, she's Muslim.
He's Russian.
I'm Russian.
Rus. वो रूस आई है. Yeah.
Are you Muslim?
Yes.
He's Muslim.
Yeah.
Christian?
Christian.
You're married?
Yeah.
Yeah, different.
Okay.
Are you from Lahore?
You are from Lahore?
No, you.
Yeah. I am born in Lahore.
Lahore, Lahore.
लाहौर लाहौर है।
After Lahore. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Shaving, yeah? Спереди возьми просто. Себе на ноги поставишь. На колени. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, look. Lovely, yeah?
हार्ड लगा के ना।
His hair is very clean.
Yeah.
Did you notice? And table is organized. Okay. Biryani.
Guys, do you like biryani?
Yeah.
City like the best biryani.
Only shaving. Denise, do you remember just 3 days ago you said that you will come tomorrow? But you came after 2 days. But you promised and you are doing your... Yeah?
You are visiting?
Yeah, first time.
First time?
First time Lahore. Yeah.
ओह अच्छा था इंग्लिश।
आप
थोड़ा
कहाँ
थोड़ा
क्या है?
इंग्लिश।
नाइस नाइस।
Light?
I like.
I like.
I like.
Oh.
तो पंजाबी में बात करे, बैकग्राउंड में सुनाई दे रहा है।
He's applying cream, yeah? It's like foam. Nice, foam, yeah. Just 2 drops and look how huge foam is it. I guess since you've done 3 times of shaving, this is the cleanest one, yeah? I mean, very organized place.
नाइस नाइस।
He has shadow, shelter like this,
और
and
टेबल
all
पे
the
वो
stuff
बोल
just
रहा है।
inside of his,
ग्रीन तो दिख रहा है काफी।
yeah. I guess your hair isn't enough, yeah, to cut.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Oh, this is really huge foam. This one is really economical. What is the name? Jolly, yeah?
जोली।
Good one. It's like just toothpaste and you apply just small drops and look how huge foam.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also you can sit talking, yeah?
Yeah. Nice. Resting, yeah. And here is a huge park, I guess. Nice park. But many mosquitoes. You see? Okay, ready?
बैकग्राउंड भी नोटिस करना था कि फ्लोर बेच रहे हैं फिर रिक्शा है
वही वाला स्ट्रीट साइड में ऐसा होता है ना
You
अपने
were
इधर भी
right.
ऐसी छोटी-छोटी
Now
जगह
you
पे
will
होता है
receive
ना।
baby face.
हेवी बेस
He's shaving so accurate. Clean. Nice. So guys, and the location of this area is in Gulberg.
गुलबर्ग
Yeah, Gulberg city, block A1 in Lahore city, new Lahore area. This man, they were shocked that how we are married. He is Christian, I'm Muslim.
एक्चुअली वो लाइक
It happens. No matter which religion. The most matter thing that humanity.
Yeah,
To be
and
human.
love.
Yeah.
That's true. Love, respect, humanity.
Today this place is very quiet, yeah?
Today is Monday.
Monday, yeah. Monday, difficult day, everyone
बात मत
feels
करो ज्यादा कट जाएगा नहीं तो
But here, I guess in Pakistan, the weekend days, Friday and Saturday, and Sunday they go to work. So that's why today is not the first working day in the week, it's the second day.
Friday, Saturday.
मस्त सोए हुए कोने में इधर
Oh, already finished. So fast, so clean.
शायद ना खेती रही
हाँ
डालने के लिए बाउल टाइप
Oh, milk tea. Oh, Pakistani tea. Nice.
Yeah. We love chai.
क्या है
बट अच्छा लग रहा है कि तुम लोग ऐसी सब लोकल चीज एक्सपीरियंस
हाँ,
कर रहे
वही
हैं, क्योंकि
तो।
ऐसी बहुत सारी जगह होती है ना जहाँ पे लोग नहीं
ये
करते।
भी लोग मशहूर जगह
हाँ, तो ये
ये
लोकली
स्ट्रीट
कर रहे हैं
स्ट्रीट
ना,
लाइफ भी ऐसा बोलते हैं
creating।
बनानी बतानी चाहिए ब्लॉग में अच्छी बात है।
और वो भी नहीं, वो आराम से
ऐसे
कर रहा है,
बिना-
नीट एंड क्लीन है सब कुछ है, तो एक अच्छा लगा वो पार्ट। गुड वन यार, वेरी गुड।
No cuttings on your face.
Actually,
He's taking care of you, darling. Wow, baby face.
Baby face.
Larka, yeah? Larka. Larka. Like boy, yeah? Huh? Ah, kaka.
Kaka.
Okay. Kaka. Ah, Punjabi and kaka. Okay, okay.
क्या जगह का मतलब यंग बॉय
लड़के को या यंग बॉय
काके एंड वाला
काके
फील
बोलते
होता
हैं,
है।
Wow. He's truly nice, so cute, man. Oh, finish?
फिनिश।
Okay. It's like with alcohol, like antiseptic. Okay. Finish. Okay, shukriya. Okay, wait. You look young.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, something on your face. Wait. Yeah, done. Oh, shukriya. Okay.
Oh, chai?
Shukriya.
Huh? Okay, one.
You will get biryani means what?
Okay, I'm taking
Oh,
the
yeah.
video of you.
Okay, one. One cup.
Do you like chai? Yeah? I guess Pakistani men, all of them like chai, yeah? Now we should wait our friend.
Yes, maybe. How much? Clean soup. How much? Kidna.
Kitna rupees? Kitna paisa?
50.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Clean. He want to clean.
I want to clean.
Okay.
Yeah. We need your service. This is very petty language barrier, yeah?
Yes.
We don't
So
understand.
I think we need learn Urdu.
More Urdu. Yeah. Oh, he's so fast. Just sit and cook.
ये शेयरिंग हो गई गुड पॉलिश
Yes, you see.
No, shukran. Only he, yeah. No. Shukran. Shukran.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my. Like
Nice
service,
cup.
yeah? Juice, chai, snacks.
This is the way how Pakistani are hospitable, yeah? Yeah, like बहुत अच्छा पाकिस्तान. हम खुश हैं.
हम खुश हैं।
Okay?
Yes, so tasty.
Okay. You like it?
Yes. Mazeda.
मजेदार?
मजेदार।
मजेदार
अच्छा. जी. आपका नाम क्या है? इस्मान? ओह. अच्छा बोया. अच्छा लड़का? काका? अच्छा काका?
अच्छा काका
Neighbor, our neighbor. Oh. Okay.
Shukriya. Amazing.
अच्छा उन्होंने
That's nice.
Okay, hold your camera. I need to check the message. Maybe our friend is already coming. Our Pakistani friend should join us.
Look, biryani means world. And my t-shirt, eat more biryani.
वो बिरयानी की
Is biryani
शौकीन
famous in Lahore?
Yes.
Yeah?
Which one? Karachi biryani? Or
Karachi biryani,
Ah.
Lahore biryani.
also Lahore biryani, yeah?
लाहौर चलो जी पहुंच जाएंगे तो आप जी पहुंच पाए
Pie?
Cow.
Oh, cow. Oh, cow meat. I like, как этот? Столица Афганистана.
Kabul. Kabul is Lahore.
Кабул biryani, yeah?
No, not biryani, pulao.
Pillow, yeah. Beef pillow, yeah. Oh, шукрия.
100 отдам.
А?
100 отдам.
Не обидят? Ладно.
Okay? Shukriya.
Окей.
You can keep here.
Yeah, hard working.
चलो अच्छा है, अच्छा दिया उसको.
Wow, your shoes is clean.
Yeah, so clean, yeah.
Yeah. I guess no need to buy new shoes here in Pakistan. Everywhere you can clean and wear just like new one. So where is our friend?
Okay, шукрия. Allah Hafiz.
Yeah, Hafiz.
Yeah, Allah Hafiz.
Nice.
हाँ
Yeah, this guy very honest, yeah.
Yeah.
Like they didn't. They can say like maybe 200, 300 real for shaving,
Yeah.
and also cleaning shoes. They say just like 50, like local price.
वो अच्छी बात है.
You are in my heart. Oh, fruits.
ताजे ताजे
You want something? Okay, look. Chef.
Juggling कर रहा
He's
है.
looking at you. Okay? If you want, we can buy banana. Maybe like 2 bananas.
Eat now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Banana.
Can you say just 2 because we can.
Do banana.
Oh, he doesn't
Yes.
have hands. Okay.
How much, kidna?
और
No. Huh?
No.
Oh.
अरे that's sweet. ये
Oh, let me pay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I will pay because.
No, just
Please. Yeah. He looks so.
no,
So
just,
fun. This is for you.
please.
Please.
अरे ये अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा
Very nice.
Oh,
Shukriya.
shukriya. So kind. Yeah, thank you.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत sweet.
I hope your viewers will not write these foreigners don't pay money and just enjoy. But guys, Pakistani people are very kind. We want it. What we can do? What time he close? Maybe we can buy an apple, but not now.
Yeah.
Or tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
tomorrow morning.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. The good today becomes the happiness tomorrow. बहुत शुक्रिया पाकिस्तान.
अरे वो इधर भी खड़ा था देख.
हाँ वो पीछे से बोल ही रहा था ना
उसने शायद बोला था 50 रुपीज ले इसका. यार लास्ट वाला दिल छू गया, दिल को छू गया मेरे. एक तो बंदे का हाथ नहीं मेहनत करा, ऊपर से बोलता नहीं मेरी तरफ से जाओ. वो मेरे को बहुत स्वीट
काइंड लगा कि चलो अच्छा है.
अगर आसपास के देखेंगे ना तो पब्लिक भी अच्छे से
तो वही बोला ना कि वो 300-400 चार्ज कर सकता था बट
100 लिया इधर बचा.
लाइक एज पर द प्राइस रिजनेबल एंड ऑल.
बहुत
अच्छा
पॉजिटिव
लगा
वीडियो
अच्छा
था.
लगा.
बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के, मजा आया एकदम. बहुत नाइस, अच्छा
गुड
वीडियो था.
यार गुड.
गाइस ऐसी और वीडियो सजेस्ट करो.
तब तक के लिए बस हमारी चैनल देखते रहना. टेक केयर.
बाय बाय.